Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorial Master. Today I am going to show you how you can convert PDF to Word editable document in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Here you can see that I have a Word app open and on my desktop there is a PDF file resume template. I want to convert that file into editable Word document file. So I will drag this PDF file and here you can see that the cursor changes and I will drop it here. And this dialog will open. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it may not look like exactly the original PDF, especially if the original file contained a lot of graphics. So I will click on OK, and here it had converted my PDF into an editable Word document. And here I can make changes to that. For example, I will write here tutorial master. So you can see that it's simple and it's easy to edit the PDF file and by converting it into the Word document. You can also convert PDF to Word by clicking on the open, and then here you can see that the same resume file has been shown from the desktop, and by clicking on it, it will again convert this file into Word document file. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Goodbye.